Fralock manufactures electrical resistance heaters, all polyimide, and that's what differentiates us from other manufacturers. We also manufacture flat cable for power collection on the backside of satellite arrays. Our heaters, which impact power efficiency, impact it by actually delivering more heat with a lower power input. Not only do they deliver more heat, they deliver it more efficiently to the actual unit that needs to be heated. Because we have many less layers and our heaters are actually thinner, the heat doesn't need to travel through the heater to get to the unit that it's heating. It is actually a much closer, much more intimate contact, therefore providing faster heat with less energy. The latest trends we're seeing in the satellite industries are the needs for more electrical power, lower cost, and standardization. Well, of course, standardization would help lower cost. However, it doesn't seem that while they're asking for standardization that they're really going there. What they really want is customization at a standardized cost and all the same reliability and testing without incurring all the costs. Of course, this is the greatest challenge. You can't really do all those things and give them what they want, which is ultimately lower cost. Our products actually solve these problems, that is the lower cost, standardization, by making products that are much more robust, that are able to be reused and actually reduce manufacturing costs by enabling manufacturers not to scrap in process, to have a product that actually is more electrically efficient and reduces the power consumption of the satellite, because power consumption is one of the leading problems for satellites. As they try to pack more and more electronics into a satellite, of course the need for power goes up, and therefore efficiency becomes a factor that's important to the satellite makers. Exciting products that we're offering in the future. What we're actually working on right now is something that's very similar to what we currently manufacture in adhesiveless laminates. However, it's a new substrate for high-speed communication products. We're actually in the development phase right now with that product and doing some testing to make sure that it'll meet the requirements of the satellite market.